Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage home staging with HSR, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing home staging with HSR, first, familiarize yourself with the basics of home staging. Research current trends in home staging to understand what appeals to buyers. Gather essential materials and tools you will need for staging. Create a checklist of each room and the elements that need attention. Evaluate the home's current state by performing a walkthrough. Take detailed notes on areas that require improvement or decluttering. Start in the main living areas, as these often make the first impression. Remove excess furniture to create an open and inviting space. Consider rearranging existing furniture to enhance flow and usability. Incorporate neutral color palettes to attract a broader range of buyers. Focus on lighting by ensuring all areas are well lit with natural and artificial sources. Add decorative elements like throw pillows, art, and plants to personalize the space. Next, stage the kitchen by clearing countertops and organizing cabinets. Set the dining table to showcase its potential for entertaining. Move to the bedrooms, ensuring each feels cozy and inviting. Neutral bedding and minimal decor can help buyers envision themselves in the space. In the bathrooms, remove personal items and add fresh towels for a spa-like effect. Add a few decorative touches, such as candles or flowers, to enhance appeal. Once staging is complete, photograph each room to create a portfolio for future reference. Review your work critically and make adjustments as necessary. Finally, consider feedback from real estate agents and potential buyers to improve future staging efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.